Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code or verification call not receiving problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Tap or hold on WhatsApp application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search WhatsApp application. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp verification code or WhatsApp verification call not receiving or not coming problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.